Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine, located in Burnsville, Minnesota. We finally got some freshwater motors coming through here, some trade-ins. This one is a 2016 T50. This was traded in off of a pontoon that we put a VF90 on. He wanted more power, more for tubing, things like that. The 50 just wasn't doing it. This one came back with 155 on one cylinder, 160 on all the rest. New spark plugs, new impeller, new oil filter, new lower unit lube, and new power head oil. We did reseal the gear case on this one. It was just leaking down, so we went ahead and resealed it. It's all good to go now. We'll go ahead and get this one fired up. It will come with a control box. This is a 20-inch. It is a T50, which is the high thrust lower unit, more for pontoons or heavier boats. Yeah, we're good without a fan. Give it a second here to warm up. Pumping good water. Go ahead and put it forward. Back to neutral, reverse, shut it off, fire it back up. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call, 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.